How to set up and enroll to bill pay on the TD Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to bill pay and enroll it, here are the process. First and foremost, open and launch the TD Bank app and log in using your credentials. Once you log in, you will land to this page. From the top right corner, tap on the bill pay. Tapping on it should take you to another page from where you can confirm or edit your email address. So tap on it to confirm, and once that is done, you will land to another page again. On this page, you'll have to first read the terms of use, and once that is okay, you can tap on accept button to review and agree to the terms of usage. Now that this is done, you have successfully enrolled to bill payment. Moving forward to adding a bill pay, tap on add bill option from the top to set up the bills. After that is done, you will have to give in or search for the biller that you want to add. If it is already on your biller list, it will be easy to add it. Next, you'll have to enter your account number for the bill. Then after, review the bill information and you should be able to add the bill. Once that is done, at the end you'll have to enter the last 4 digits of your primary social security number and agree to terms of use again. Once that is done, the bill is added and you can pay it by tapping on Pay Your Bill section. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.